Okay, friends, we're going to start Tuesday's math lesson. Now, a couple weeks ago with Miss Hayden, we talked about measurement. Measurement is looking at how things are and we're comparing them. So one thing we looked at was length. We wanted to see how long something was. So the words we use to describe long are short, long, shorter, longer. So we're looking at length. Then we also looked at height. When something's short or tall, shorter or taller. Today, we are going to look at weight. We're going to look at what's heavy and light. So let's write those words up on our board. Heavy and light. What do you think it means if something's heavy? Yeah, if it's heavy, that means it's more. It's bigger. If it's light, remember the sticks were light as fluff. It's just how they are. So that is what we get to look at today. We're going to look at weight. So we're going to compare heavy, heavier, light, lighter. Now one tool we're going to use to compare weight is using does anyone know what this is? What's this called? It's called a scale. This is a balance scale. So you'll notice there are two sides. Now I'm going to put my marker on this side. Watch what happens. Now I'm going to tell you, friends, I would recommend you put it flat on a table when you use the scale, but because I want to show you and I don't have a table that's tall enough, I have to hold it. But I'm holding it flat on our whiteboard. So I'm going to put the marker in. What do you notice happened? It went down. It went down because it's heavier, so it went down. This side went up because it's lighter. It's not the same. So now let's see. Maybe if I put a pen. I'll put it on this side. Which one is heavier? The marker still. And let's try another one. How about, let's see if we can find something. I have a glue stick. Make a prediction. Do you think this is heavier than the marker? We'll find out. I'm going to put it on. What happened? Normally when you put it right on, you can see. This went right down because the glue stick is heavier than the marker. All right, I'm going to take both of them off. I'm going to grab a few more objects. This time we'll make some predictions to see how heavy, or which one's heavy or heavier. How about I have a Sharpie and a crayon. Make a prediction. Which one's heavy and which one's light? Heavier and lighter. Got your prediction? Okay, I have mine. I'm not going to say it yet. Let's see if your prediction's right. All right, I'll put the crayon in. Okay, see how it went down. Ooh, Miss Hayden really should have a table. Put the marker in. What do you think? It's kind of hard to tell, but looking right at it, look really close at it. Are they the same? If they were the same weight, there wouldn't be. It would be a straight line across. I see this side is going down a little bit, so the marker is heavier than the crayon. Now I would want to see how much the crayon is. So I'm going to use cubes. Let's first start with, I'm going to start with two cubes. Let's see how many fits. We want to make sure it's the same. Ooh. And it's hard to tell because it should be flat on the table. But it looks like if it would stop moving, it's going to be the same. So a crayon weighs 2 cubes. This is our way to count to see how much it measures. So boys and girls, today We looked at weight. We looked at heavy and light. We used a tool called a scale. We know when something's heavy, the one side will go down and the light side goes up. Let's try maybe on this side. We saw it before. How about if I put 10 cubes on it? It doesn't matter what side, it just pretends it's important of what object is heavier or lighter. So now this side, 10 cubes, is heavier than 1 crayon. So boys and girls, I hope if you have a scale at home, if you want to test out, if you want to just feel things and guess of saying which one's heavy and light, which one's easy to pick up, and which one takes extra muscles. Now, before I close, in our workbook today, you're going to get to open up to 38. I will do this together with you if you'd like. If not, feel free to go ahead. We're going to look at heavier, lighter. We're also going to count. Let's pick in the page turn. We're going to count how many cubes they are, just like we did with the crayon, and we'll pick. So you have 4 pages to do a math. And if you want to do it with me, watch the next clip and I will have this page with you. All right, remember, keyword measurement. We're looking at weight, heavy, light. Have a good day, boys and girls.